Let's kick things off with a fascinating look at the Jetson Aura, NVIDIA's latest innovation.
On this show, we are looking at the brand new Jetson Aura. Let's grab the Jetson Aura Nano. The Jetson carrier board holds the Jetson module, and the Jetson module holds the Jetson Aura Nano compute. And let's remove the Jetson module and holding the Jetson module in place. Let's talk about the Jetson Aura Nano module first. Here's a top-down image of the Jetson Aura module. This is a system on module, or SOM for short. The Jetson Aura Nano module is available in two flavors.
Now that we're acquainted with the Jetson Aura, let's explore the powerhouse behind AI development, the Aura Nano.
To boost FPS compared to the SD card, but during object detection, both setups show nearly identical results. That's because once the model and data are loaded into RAM, the system doesn't need to constantly access the disk, so storage speed has little impact on FPS. Most of the processing is handled by the GPU and RAM, so whether you're using an SD card or NVMe SSD, the FPS stays about the same. Even when running in Docker, the performance is nearly identical to running it natively, thanks to Docker's optimized environment.
Speaking of efficiency, let's delve into the seamless connectivity options provided by the Aura Nano.
Aura Nano 8GB Dev Kit, 128GB SD card, and the NVIDIA Jetson Aura Nano 8GB Dev Kit, 256GB NVMe SSD, you get pre-installed storage, so there's no need to worry about manually installing Jetpack. The 128GB SD card version provides ample storage, while the 256GB NVMe SSD version offers faster performance. Both options come preloaded with Jetpack, NVIDIA's comprehensive AI software development kit. This setup allows you to power up and immediately access all the essential AI and robotics tools, so you can start developing without delay. The NVIDIA Jetson Aura Nano Dev Kit is designed to work with all kinds of peripherals. Whether you're using a traditional wired keyboard and mouse, a wireless dongle setup, or even Bluetooth devices, the Aura Nano supports seamless connectivity. Just plug in your peripherals or pair them via Bluetooth, and you'll be ready to control and interact with your AI project without interruptions. The Jetson Aura Nano features a DisplayPort output for delivering high-quality video. If your monitor supports DP, you can easily connect using a DP cable. However, if you're using an HDMI monitor, the included HDMI to DP adapter makes everything simple. We've tested several third-party adapters, and
what about those who prefer a stable online experience? Let's see how easy it is to go wired with the Aura Nano.
Or need the reliability of Ethernet for data-intensive tasks, connecting a LAN cable is quick and easy. This ensures a faster, more stable internet connection, ideal for downloading large datasets, running updates, or working on collaborative AI projects in real time. If you're diving into computer vision projects, the NVIDIA Jetson Aura Nano Dev Kit makes it incredibly easy to get started. Simply connect a CSI camera, like the 8-megapixel Raspberry Pi camera module, directly to the board. The CSI interface is designed for high-speed image processing, so you'll be able to run AI-based object detection, facial recognition, and other vision tasks with impressive speed and accuracy. Powering up the Jetson Aura Nano is the final step. Connect the power adapter, and you'll notice the power light blink on, signaling that everything is ready to boot. This simple setup process is designed to minimize complications and get you straight into development, avoiding the typical setup frustrations that come with other devices. Once everything is connected, it's time to boot.
Now that we have our setup ready, let's boost our AI projects by integrating camera capabilities.
Or need the reliability of Ethernet for data-intensive tasks, connecting a LAN cable is quick and easy. This ensures a faster, more stable internet connection, ideal for downloading large datasets, running updates, or working on collaborative AI projects in real time. If you're diving into computer vision projects, the NVIDIA Jetson Aura Nano Dev Kit makes it incredibly easy to get started. Simply connect a CSI camera, like the 8-megapixel Raspberry Pi camera module, directly to the board. The CSI interface is designed for high-speed image processing, so you'll be able to run AI-based object detection, facial recognition, and other vision tasks with impressive speed and accuracy. Powering up the Jetson Aura Nano is the final step. Connect the power adapter, and you'll notice the power light blink on, signaling that everything is ready to boot. This simple setup process is designed to minimize complications and get you straight into development, avoiding the typical setup frustrations that come with other devices. Once everything is connected, it's time to boot.
What if you need to observe object behaviors? With Jet Auto, the possibilities are endless.
Navigation can be quickly accomplished, making the learning of SLAM interesting and easy to comprehend. Program Jet Auto to be robot waiter in a smart restaurant simulation. Autonomously plan route, multiple points cruising. Even reacting to sudden situation can be easily overcome. Furthermore, Jet Auto is cleverly integrated with 3D depth camera. Through the RGB camera and high-precision measurement features, Jet Auto is able to capture surrounding point cloud image to accomplish 3D real-time vision recognition and 3D vision navigation. Based on YOLO V5 architecture, we can construct Jet Auto autonomous driving scene. Road signs detection, traffic light recognition, autonomous parking, making AI within your reach. Utilizing the media pipe development framework, Jet Auto can identify features of facial contour.
As we move into the realm of personal assistance, let's unravel how to make customization work for you.
Your fingertips. You can ask it questions, get creative responses, and even customize the user interface to match your preferences. Now we're in the final stage, integrating all the components and running the assistant. Start by creating and activating the Python virtual environment where we'll install all necessary dependencies. Next, we'll download the PyTorch wheel optimized for Jetson devices. Head over to the Jetson Download Center on your browser. Once downloaded, move the file to the Orin Nana Assistant folder for installation. This ensures the installation script will locate the wheel in the correct directory. With our virtual environment set up, let's now install the necessary dependencies and configure the system for optimal performance. First, we install the PyTorch wheel specifically
Customization continues. Let's see how to make your assistant visually appealing.
chat interface. Once you're in, you can easily customize the appearance of the assistant's interface. Let's change the theme to dark mode for a more comfortable viewing experience. Now let's explore the chat functionality. You can interact with your assistant by typing questions into the chat box. Let's start by asking, "Please introduce yourself." As you can see, the assistant responds with an introduction of itself. How many languages can you understand and generate responses in fluently? The assistant replies with an answer, explaining the languages it can understand and respond in. Write me a Malay pantun. As you can see, the assistant is fully functional, answering queries and providing creative responses. The chat interface offers a smooth and interactive experience, making it easy to communicate with your assistant at any time.
Now let's see how our assistant coming alive feels like in real-time interaction.
The assistant. Once it's running, speak into the microphone. You should hear your assistant respond through the speaker.
Hi, please introduce yourself.
I'm your AI assistant, here to help with AI development, embedded systems like the Jetson Orin Nano and Google Technologies. Let's build something awesome together.
The assistant is now fully functional and ready to assist you with any queries you have.
Can you summarize the latest trends in AI?
Source AI libraries are making AI development more accessible, and retrieval augmented generation is enhancing AI responses by integrating external knowledge bases. The Jetson Orin Nano is a powerful computer designed for edge AI applications.
Tell me about the Orin Nano.
Jetson Orin Nano is a compact, powerful computer designed by NVIDIA for AI applications at the edge. It's known for being a powerful tool for developers who want to create AI assistants.
We have AI assistants capable of impressive feats. But what's next for the Jetson innovations?
And I lifted a brand new HGX out of my oven. Well, ladies and gentlemen, our brand new AI computer, the little tiny Jetson Nano. that we created a brand new type of processor. It was a robotics processor. Then we would have, robots of all kinds. We're seeing all kinds of amazing robots. Robots on wheels, robots on legs, 2 legs, 3 legs, and of course, general humanoid robots.
To wrap things up, we've explored some amazing tools. Let's remember, the future of AI is bright and limitless. With the Jetson ecosystem and innovations like the Orin Nano, you're not just building technology, you're building the future.